straight cranberry chug in under a minute?
Yep.
Anthony is trying to remove them.
Freaking boot me!
Anthony, actually stop.
I'm trying to, but Anthony keeps doing that. On my iPad. Oh my god!
Anthony, actually stop.
Stop!
You're not even recording this on your iPad. Oh, you're recording this on your iPad?
Please. No! Just
Shut up,
boot
shut up,
me.
everyone shut up.
Luke is not out.
Welcome to another episode of Bad News Chucks. This right here is something that a lot of my subs want to see me do. Right cranberry. Lemon lime soda with cranberry. Self-explanatory. I've never tried this. So this is going to be pretty fun.
Is it like a giant fat?
He's so fat.
That's all he is.
Fat. It's so funny.
I don't think he has a chin. No, listen to the burp. The burp. The burp. The burp is so funny.
No, my
can't
mic
hear it.
keeps moving.
Okay, guys, we gotta go take a boat.
No, we don't. We can walk. It's not even that far. I'm already started.
Well, I refuse to walk. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Too late. I was gonna let you listen to this guy be like.
39 seconds. He does it in 39 seconds. No, Rob,
That sounded
find this
like a
video,
demon
longest and
roaring.
loudest burp ever. no, Rob, go to his channel and go to the video, loudest and longest burp ever.
Oh my god, I'm.
Rob,
Oh
no,
my
Rob,
God.
Rob, search up, no, go to this channel and search up loudest and longest burp I've ever made.
Robert, you're gonna get trapped in the storm.
Bro, I'm crying
Robert.
from laughing so
You
hard.
will get trapped.
I don't even
Bro,
care at this
Rob,
point.
I'm in zone. Rob, I'm
Remember
in the
me.
zone. What?
Epic burp
we are too.
compilation.
I'm not.
This guy's an epic burp compilation.
Oh, Savage, that's not you sniping at me? Oh, shoot. Oh, so it was you. He chugs like 2 Diet Cokes and then does the burp.
I'm crying.
Guillermo, is that you behind that screen?
No, I'll be grown up here, Mom.
Guillermo will be in the alleyway, and he'll be going to some guy like saying, "Hey, you want some weed?" And then the guy will be like, "Yeah." The guy gives him $500. Guillermo looks down at the ground, bends down, picks up some weeds from the crack, gives it to him, just runs away.
Wait. Badland chugs.
Or we're being shot at.
Chugs.
Bro, I'm not.
Biggest
Huh.
burp. Longest
Robert,
and
you're gonna
loudest
die in
burp
this-
video
Robert,
ever
you're supposed-
created.
Nursing major? Trail runner.
Push on, I'm coming.
Anthony, you're recording this, right?
RPG question mark?
Anthony, you're recording this, right? Are you recording it on your iPad?
Wait, there's another guy. I
Okay,
think. Oh,
guys,
shoot,
we're about
there's
to
another guy, I think.
listen to the longest and loudest burp video
No,
ever
I
created.
shooted that. Oh yeah, there is. Yes, there is.
Badlands Chucks.
You say you shooted that guy? Didn't hit him. I need a sniper, bro. Oh, I hit it. I knocked him. Knocked him. Knocked him. Oh my God!
Until then,
There's another guy at me.
check out this open book good.
Jason, get him! One guy! I think I was sniper, that's why. Jason, if you don't get him, you're bad.
Oh
Rob,
my God!
get me.
This is like 2 liters of Diet Coke. It's so fast.
Oh, Rob, you're
Jesus
dead?
Christ. Yeah,
Rob,
because
you're
I'm
dead?
playing this burping guy's videos, bro.
Shut up.
Rob gets his own, so I'm gonna die.
Hey, I did.
I need my kit.
Joey, we're both gonna die. Anthony, you're already down.
Oh my God. It's gonna be close.
Joey!
Jason, wait up. I might not get it.
Do it. Oh my God.
Got it, let's go. Were there people? But seriously, people.
Can't do it.
Yo, we should just have a Discord and like scout stories.
You sound like this guy's screaming.
It's a loud roar. This is the roar of the beast.
Yes.
You've awoken the beast. I have 2 more medkits, I think I'm gonna be
You smell
fine.
like clam chowder. I'm gonna look for a garbage game god video.
You smell like beef and cheese.
Unboxing
my-
and
all
review
my
for
videos are
Beats
garbage.
Studio 3 wireless headphones. Jason, oh my God, bro, you're so lazy.
I'm
He
not
just
lazy.
screen recorded his intro from the Roxanne video and put it in this video.
I know. Shut up.
I'm not gonna get it. Jason, shoot me!
Everyone
Jason,
shut
shoot
up,
me!
everyone shut
Jason,
up,
shoot
everyone
me!
shut up.
Jason, oh my God! You are such
Or I
a
have my own
noob.
problems to deal with.
Shh.
You are such a noob.
So today, by the title, we are unboxing the Beats Studio 3
Just
wireless.
reminding him. Because he forgot.
This was a last minute decision, just for me in general. Like, I only decided that I wanted to get this yesterday.
I made it out. Holy crap.
Use the bandage bazooka.
The bandage bazooka. You incompetent
Let's
fool.
find some garbage
Yes,
game guy content.
Yes, I know.
You know the guy who sent the weird video under Jason's subscription or video, Copa video? I sent
it's
him a
some
message
Roblox
and he
streamer.
responded to me.
Oh. Okay, Anthony, you want me to go review you?
So he said he sent the link and then I said under it, wow, that was a nice and totally not creepy at all video. And then he's like, yes, also, and then like I sent that like a week ago, and then like yesterday he sent, yeah, also sorry for the late reply, and then I said, alright, it's okay, man, I don't care.
What'd he say?
My schedule. Here's
He said
the deal.
sorry for the late reply.
Oh God!
And it
Drake
was.
/ God's plan reaction.
What does this guy do?
Jason, you're reacting to videos while drinking some sort of water thing.
My game is. What the fuck is that? Did you guys see me lagging? Did you guys see me lagging? I was lagging.
That guy was so bad. He wasn't even moving. And you got
Bruh, my game was lagging so bad.
To these reactions.
Oh my God, he wasn't even
That's by
moving, and you
Drake.
died too.
And when I was trying to start it up a little
Yo,
while
it's
ago, it said that you
and let's get to these reactions.
Yeah. Bro, this kid
Bro,
was
I was
standing
lagging
still,
so hard.
and then Jason shot him with an RPG, and then the kid killed him.
What?
Yes. Yeah?
Oh, I'll be on.
Wait,
So
what
yeah,
dance
you-
for a video? Alright.
What dance party video? That's what he said. No, what dance party video?
No, like, yeah, what dance party
Yeah,
video
what
are
are
you
you
gonna be
talking-
doing? Oh, this is proof
Here.
my content is not
Anthony,
stolen.
are you getting off?
Game God, back here with another video.
Okay, good, 'cause I have to get off.